Hey YouTube, my name is Porky Pig, also known as Leon. But I'm just gonna record a video, of course, but I do Roblox videos, Minecraft videos. No, not do Minecraft because Minecraft wasn't like Roblox. And yeah, I hope you like this video. I don't know. Aside from things in the back, this is just my household. See how close I can. Now it's just like you can't see anyone. You can see my eye color is brown. I can't do the 1 hour boy thing. My eyes hurt after that. Tell me what to do in the comments down below. I lie. You stupid. Not me. I'm awesome. I'm awesome. I'm awesome. I have. But no. So if you're watching this, don't put it in the comments. Okay? That's it. I can see like this now. The mouse is actually on this side. But my hand is over here. This is like that side. So I'm moving the mouse right now, but you can't see. Okay, look at it. You can't even see the mouse though. I'm looking right at the screen. I'll show you. Wait. I'll show you my mouse. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna do like 1 more minute of this video. It's gonna be short because I'm talking on my vehicles because I do like this. Next episode I'm probably gonna show my tablet and I'll do Flappy Bird and or Splashy Fish or whatever song you want me to do. Whatever you want me to do in the comments. Yep. 20 more seconds. Go ahead. Do something. Everyone just let's do this again. It is Porky the Pig. It is Porky the Pig back with another episode of